Stressed child? Build a sensory haven in one small corner. 1/3 of autistic kids crave quiet sensory retreats. Let's walk through 10 evidence-backed ways you can transform any spare nook into a calming corner, no matter your budget or space. First up, cozy beanbag seating. Soft, squishy, and body molding, beanbags help muscles relax and melt away tension, especially when paired with dim string lights for that warm, safe glow. Next, weighted blankets or lap pads. Deep pressure from these can actually lower cortisol and help kids sleep better, according to multiple studies. Place one on their lap during reading or downtime. You'll see heart rates slow and bodies soften. Third idea, bubble tubes or lava lamps. The gentle rhythm of rising bubbles can anchor a child's gaze, offering a soothing visual break that's proven to reduce stimming and stress. Number 4, a noise-canceling headphone stand. Sometimes the world is just too loud. Having headphones handy helps kids block out overwhelming sounds, especially during noisy sibling play. Idea 5, DIY fidget box. Fill a small bin with stress balls, pop tubes, or spinners. These keep hands busy and brains focused, perfect for moments when your child is feeling restless or anxious. If these tips help, a quick subscribe means the world. Thank you. On to idea 6, a visual schedule board. Simply seeing what's next can slash transition anxiety. Snap magnet icons onto a mini whiteboard to map out routines or rewards. 7th, try a sensory swing or hammock chair. Gentle linear swinging organizes the vestibular system, providing instant calm and body awareness. Plus, they're just fun. Number 8, a white noise or nature sound speaker. Soft background sounds mask jarring crashes or barking dogs, letting your child relax without sensory surprises. Idea 9, tactile wall panels. Textures like faux grass or Velcro satisfy sensory seekers. Let your child run their hands across and explore. And finally, create a cozy canopy or pop-up tent. Enclosed spaces offer control and privacy, turning any corner into an instant safe zone for reading, playing, or just breathing. Pick 2 ideas tonight. Tell me which ones you try. Like, share, and subscribe for more practical support. You've got this, and I'm rooting for you.